Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to upload digital products to your Shopify store so you can start selling ebooks, digital art, or any downloadable item effortlessly. First, log into your Shopify account and go to the Products section in your dashboard. Click Add Product to open a blank product page. Start by giving your product a clear and engaging title. Next, write a detailed description. Explain what the product does, its benefits, and any special features. Bullet points can make it easier to read. Now, upload your digital product file. Make sure the file format and size are supported by Shopify. Add your price, reflecting the value of your product and your market strategy. Finally, click Save to secure all your product information. And that's it. Your digital product is now ready for customers to purchase. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Shopify tips to grow your online store.